Good morning, everybody. So I want to talk a quick second about having a 4-day weekend. So if you're watching this video, you are in a service profession. You are giving little pieces of yourself away every day in service to somebody else. You give away your time. You give away your patience. You give away your love. You give away your money every day. And that is exhausting. So you've got a 4-day weekend coming up, and I'm going to give you some homework. Number 1, today, on Wednesday, do your best to make sure that everything you need for Monday when you come back is prepared. Whatever you need to do for Monday, get it ready so that you can allow yourself 4 days of unplugging from school. Number 2, let somebody love you this weekend. You're going to want to serve everybody because that's what you do. You're a service person. But allow somebody else to come in and take care of you and love you. So if you're at somebody's house, just relish in the idea that they're serving you as an act of love, and let yourself soak up the love. Let your love tank get refilled. If you're hosting Thanksgiving and other people are coming to your house and somebody says, "Do you need help?" you say yes. If somebody says, "I'll get the dishes," you say, "Okay." It's unnatural for service people to want to let other people help them, but you can do that because your love tank needs to get refilled. So spend some time on you this weekend. Unplug and refill, because I love you and you love you. That's your job.